We made it to Oxford. Woo! So we're gonna be parking the van for a little bit at this family lake house, well, across the lake from where I grew up in the summers. So I'm so excited. It's so beautiful there. So my parents just bought this land recently, so it's completely undeveloped. There's no water, electricity, anything. So we're really just gonna park there and make this overgrown forest a home. These are the couple stores we have. The key was mid scratching his ear. Fish has arrived.
She's ready to be launched.
I'm ready to be launched.
Fish looks good out here.
Snowing.
Yeah, we're on our morning walk, and what the heck is all this fluff? We do not have this in North Carolina. I don't get it. So weird. Like, I don't even know where it could come from. It looks like it's just coming from the sky.
We got up and we had coffee. Leah made me coffee. Jam of the lemon. We had quiet time and read his journal. And then we went on a run. And then we went down to the lake to swim. It was freezing, but awesome. And now we're having a lunch, and then we're gonna go back down and swim some more.
Fish is loving this life. Says this fish.
Yes, I am eating a whole tomato.
Because we all asked.
I thought there was something in the road. I thought it was a big board or something. Get a good picture.
So, I don't use plastic water bottles.
Yeah, I thought you were going to use it as a microphone.
Oh, yeah, no. So, we just got back from the Rhino. Did you explain what the Rhino is?
Uh-uh.
The Rhino is the four-wheeler we were just on with our neighbors, Pam and Sally. And they're awesome, like as you can see in the videos. And we are about to go to do some garage sale shopping. See wherever it takes us. Pam's like that person in your life where you can maybe make plans, but you end up doing crazy things that were never in the plan. So I can tell you now that's the plan, but I will let you know later what actually happened.
Oh my God, just let him loose. Let him loose.
What is it?
Oh, it's a bumblebee.
Ew.
It looks like a big bumblebee or
Get him
something.
out. What?
What was that? That hit me!
It did.
Holy crap!
Oh my God. It's a little fresh one.
Really?
Asparagus on the side of the road.
Found one.
Look at.
Look, she found one.
Yum.
There you go.
Oh, yum, yum.
That's gonna be the best.
That's
there
awesome.
might be a couple next to here.
This is our batch so far.
Look straight ahead. See how it blends in?
Oh yeah.
See that? So then you just go.
You don't have to go, otherwise it's gonna be tough. Here's 2 more.
Leah's a Voyager farmer. I am. Here's dinner. Oh yeah, Leah doesn't even like asparagus. I love asparagus. See, this wasn't in the plan for today. And here we are. Pam's still working really hard over there. You finding anything?
I'm not gonna find that bird.
Oh, that looks good, Pam.
Crazy. Oh, I
That is
just
massive. Oh my gosh. The little baby. Oh. Okay, we just got back to the van from our adventure with Pam and Sally. So we actually didn't end up doing any garage sales at all, and we also brought like our water jugs to fill up at a freshwater spring. We didn't end up doing that either, but we got a bunch of asparagus. We had a lot of fun. Yeah, we got margaritas and got a bunch of food. And then we stopped at a pond, a lake, a beautiful lake,
yeah.
and saw like a bunch of baby ducks and a baby crane.
Yeah.
Like, so always an adventure. I absolutely love having no idea what's gonna happen in the day. So
It was so fun.
I want a nap now. It's so adventurous. There she is. That's our outhouse for the summer. Dropping it off. Let's go.
Yee.
Nope, stay in there. Don't be pissed.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we continue to enjoy the lake, spend quality time with friends, see a lot of my family celebrating the 4th of July, and we finally see Trashy the turtle. Oh my gosh, it's staying still too. Look at that big tail.